Here's example number 2 on graphing circles. All right, this time you see the example on the screen, on the board. Hopefully you're able to print them out. So anyway, this time you'll notice they're giving us the center and the radius of the circle, and they want us to build the equation. Let's start with the easy thing first. If they give us the center and the radius, then we should be able to plot the circle, graph it. We go to -2 on the x, 6 on the y, plot that big, that ordered pair there, right? That's in the middle of the circle. And then we'll travel 4 units in all directions. So I think to the left, to the right, up, down. I would do those north, south, east, west surrounding points. So just on your graph paper, go 4 units to the left, right? Count 4 boxes here. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, all right? And you go back to the center, and then you'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 this way. And then you go to the center, then you go 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go 4 down, 1, 2, 3, 4. These might not be lining up perfectly, but you get the idea. And then, so just plot your center point and then draw that perfectly round circle. All right, my graph paper's all jacked up. You're gonna have way better graph paper to do yours. Yours are gonna look much better than this. But plot your center and then go 4 units left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down. All right, and there you go, you've got your circles. So there's the graph. It's terrible, I get it. All right, make yours prettier. You'll have good graph paper. The other part to the question is what would be the equation of that circle. And so you notice the information is backwards this time. Here they gave us the center and the radius, and they want the equation. Well, this is just like when we knew the slope and the intercept of a line and we built the equation from it. All we have to do is take the numbers for h, k, and r, which are the numbers here in these boxes. I would hope you'd look at that and go, look at that! That's h, that's k, and that's r. And just plug them in to the template for the equation of a circle. That's all we have to do here. So, here we go. Here's the circle equation. Parenthesis, x minus, all right, the value of h in this question is -2. So when we put -2 after that minus, that would be plus, and then parentheses squared. Let's check here. What would x have to be for that to be 0? -2, yeah, all right. Then there's a plus sign, plus, right? Plug and play, stick the numbers in. Parentheses, y minus, all right, and then we subtract the value of k, which is 6, parentheses squared, equals, and then on the other side, the value of r, the radius for this question is 4, and the thing that we forget to do sometimes is to square that, so make sure you put squared on that 4. And even better would be go ahead and square it and call it 16. But that's it. That'll be acceptable. I would prefer actually that you go ahead and change that to 16. Make sure to square your radius, all right? So 4 squared is 16. There you go. Take the values of h, k, and r, stick them in, and you got your equation. That takes care of example 2, all right? So
that was easy.
that was easy.